Strongest cat in the world. He moved that. But how? He's like trying to stalk my cord. Watch. Babies. Watch. See? He's attracted to it. But there's one thing he cannot resist. Oh, this is what he can't resist. Babies. I know you can't resist this. Let's see what happens. Lokies, we could see yous. Here's the babies. Here's the babies. Here's the baby. No, not take it. Well, there goes our strongest cat in the world. Oh, wait, I'm stalking. Here's the babies. Well, he's coming back to us. Welcome back to the dark side, cat. I can see you from far away. I see you stalking. Where can you see a stupid kitty? Yeah. I think he sees us. He sees us. Run! I don't know how long we can run, but remember me! No babies! Come back here. Oh. I see you stalking. I know you're there. Oh God! He's gonna appear. I know it. Oh, there he is. He's stalking my foot. It's right there. Watch this. Wait, no, you can open it more easily. Let's see, open it now. Come here, babies. The impossible.